it's Dr. Frank Antolcic, just here at Harris Road Chiropractic, and we got Ed here, and I just wanted to take a minute and just show some of the adjustments that I do for the upper back, lower neck, and then the neck as well too. I was just saying how he's got some symptoms here, kind of in the neck and the shoulders. Hey, bud?
Yeah.
So just want to show some quick adjustments, how we get things moving a little bit. This area right here is a junction where two opposite curves meet, and the first rib ties in there. A lot of people don't realize the rib is so high up there. So I'm just going to show some adjustments. So if you turn your head over to this left shoulder, buddy, and I'm going to tilt it over here to the right, just like so. And I'm going to do one adjustment. You just relax, just like that. Perfect. And we'll go to the other side. Awesome. And just one more here as well. Perfect. And you can feel that, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome. And just one here. Just breathe down for me. Relax your shoulders. Perfect. Good. Okay. Awesome. And you can turn on your back, bud. And we'll just show how we adjust the neck as well too. This will just be for the top now. These top few bones. And you can feel that there. Hey, it's been a few weeks since you've adjusted. So just relax for a minute. Relax that shoulder. Perfect. There's one. One here, so relax that shoulder. Perfect. Look at the difference, eh? Instantly. You feel that, eh? So come on.